This weekend we are in the Drakensberg Mountains for our first wedding of the year. It's like the only house on this massive property. It's Craig's cousin, so at last this wedding is happening. We're so excited. We're gonna spend one night at an Airbnb, and we're actually gonna stay with Craig's parents. We're sharing an Airbnb. We decided to stop here at the Dragonsburg Brewery.
I don't know if you guys have met my parents. So I decided to go with a tasting tray. We've got a blonde ale, a pilsner, a red ale and a stout, all made here at the Drakensberg Brewery. Definitely my favourite is Pilsner. Good, nice and fruity, refreshing.
Here at the Drakensberg Brewery, they serve drinks and also like build your own platters. We ordered these good looking ciabattas, German salami, Italian salami and cream cheese with pepperdews. We're just going to pile everything on one sandwich and enjoy it.
We ordered German sausage, blue cheese, pepperdew and cream cheese, camembert cheese, and ciabatta, and butter.
They are more adventurous than we are. It's delicious. We had a lovely lunch here at the Drakensberg Brewery, and now it's time to go check into our Airbnb. We arrived at our Airbnb. It's like the only house on this massive property. It's so cool. Okay, straight into a bedroom. Setup is a bit weird. There's two rooms next to each other, so the one room needs to walk through the other room to get to the living room. We had 40 minutes at our Airbnb to change. We did it and we are ready to go. Three minutes later and we are at the wedding venue. That's crazy. We're so close. Wedding time. We haven't been to a wedding in a long time, like a year. We don't actually know how much video we're going to take at this wedding, but we'll definitely show you some highlights.
Yeah, especially the partying part of the wedding, because that's our favorite. So we're here now, the weather looks okay. It looks like a storm coming.
Yeah, we hear rumblings in the distance. That's my favorite part about the Drakensberg.
Yeah. And it's an outside wedding, so it's going to be sketchy, but I think the weather's going to hold up. It's going to be fun. There's always a backup plan if it does rain. So.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. this together now. We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your secrets. 'Cause we're in this together now. Yeah, we're in this together now.
The guest book is quite cool. Firstly, we have to sanitize our hands. Then we've got to put our finger in an ink pad and make our mark on the guest book. And then it's going to make like a whole balloon. There's an example of what it's going to look like.
Even if we're falling down, all of me is yours, every part of me. 'Cause we're in this together now. You and me together now. What's the point of living if we're scared to lose each other? What's the point of living without you? Tell me now and I'll stop fighting.
We just made inside before it started raining really hard. It's been such a cool wedding. We are going to go hit the dance floor now, and we will probably only see you in the morning. Good morning. We had an amazing time at the wedding last night. We've packed up and we're ready to go. We're going to leave our Airbnb now. It's about a 3-hour drive back home to Durban, well, Ballito, so let's go. So we're about to leave, and guess what? Chantal leaves her cell phone under the blankets on the bed.
Lucky we aren't even just 20 meters from the car. We just drove an hour to a pit stop on our way home. It's called the Windmills and it's one of our favorite stops. We grabbed a yummy cappuccino and we'll have that in the car on the way back. So we really had a great, well, it's not an entire weekend away, but it was a night away. The wedding was awesome and our B&B was actually quite nice, but just a heads up, if you ever decide to book that specific Airbnb, go with people that you feel very comfortable with. You've got to walk through people's bedrooms to get to the kitchen or to get to the bathroom, which was fun for us because we went away with family. So if you do want to book that Airbnb, keep that in mind. It is really nice because it's in the middle of nowhere. We didn't see any houses around, so it was very, very cool. This video is probably not very long, but we still hope that you enjoyed it and just got a taste of what a good old South African wedding is like. And we actually had a real treat last night with the bride's dad being a musician, and he had his band playing live music, which is really cool, and that doesn't happen very often at weddings here, so that was very, very cool. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye. We decided to do two. What did we do? How do I say it? We had a lovely lunch here. Craig is always struggling to open doors.
I'm not, look. We are here, and I think we took the bride's parking. Let's go have some beer.